Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking more and more about dunder method. So let's dive in. Classes, book, book, diff, initialization dunder method, self dot title. Okay, self title and author. Okay, and self dot author is equal author and equal title. Okay, we have equal dunder method, diff underscore eq equal. So equal if not is instance order. Value and book. We ask the new value is from this classes, so return. If not, return false, and then return self dot title. Okay, return self dot title is equal value dot title and self dot author is equal value dot author. Now we have many books. We have many books. So equal to make comparison. We cannot ask book 1 is equal book 2 like that. Book 1 is equal book 2. Cannot ask. Okay. Book 1, book 2 is equal book 1. Not. So we need use equal to make comparison, the main value and the next value. So now if I print l.py true, false. Why true and false? Because book 1 and book 2 is named, but book 2 and book 3 is not similar to. If I delete this and print false, together is they are false, because the book 1 and book 2 not similar thing in the memory, but we needn't a comparison with memory. We want to comparison with value of data. So this is of dunder method of equal. So we have another dunder method. I will delete this and make another dunder method. Classes player. Classes player. Diff initialization. I will put this is data about a player self name level. So the first is def underscore underscore lt. lt is for letter bigger than. We ask about bigger than. Okay. If not instance is instance order and player. Return false. And return self dot value self dot level smaller than other dot level and not and just this, and the other dunder method we have le it's mean smaller than and equal. Okay, this is smaller than, not bigger than, smaller than, and this is smaller than our equal. We have another another dunder method is g greater than le, and this is greater than, and greater than our equal is ge, greater than ge, greater than our equal. And the latest is not equal, ne not equal, so it's not equal. So let me check. I will print all these and print. Okay, P1. We want two players. Okay. We want put two players. Okay, P1 is equal. We will need to put name and level. Okay. Player dot. Okay, player. I will put Ali, name and level 11. Player 2, 40. Ahmed. 3. Number 2. Number 3. 64. Now print. Okay, print. True. Okay. But if we will a comparison without these dunder method, a print false. So we have another dunder method. I will go under, and we have another dunder method. The latest dunder method is classes shopping cart. Okay, shop. we have this data inside it, and self dot items count is equal items count, and self dot total count is equal total count, and then our comparison. The first of dunder method is add. Def add. Okay. I also ask this question if instance, okay, shopping cart. Shopping cart. Okay, I'll ask if not is instant other shopping return false. So how to add? We have items and total price. Okay, total price, total price, total price. Without self, just total price. Okay. New item. How to use it? Okay, new item is equal self dot items count plus other dot items count, and item other dot total price self dot total price, and this is a new price. So return shopping cart new items and new prices. Now put the cart 1 and cart 2. Cart 1 and cart 2. So let's talk more and more. We have another is not add. I will copy and paste. Is subtract CUP. Okay, a similar thing, but I will say is minus. Okay, and we have also the multiplication also multiplication. Okay, the multiplication mu L and the length LEN, and then I will say goodbye.